Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations and Merry Christmas to all of you. Today I'm here with another Christmas project. As you can see, we have created a beautifully Christmas wreath. This wreath is a very decent and you can create this within 10 minutes. I'm making a couple of them to give to my friends. If you are interested to learn this project, let's go ahead and start it. So I said to myself, since it's a little sunny outside, weather is very nice, so I'm going to do this project outside. So for this project, all you need a garland. As you see my previous project, I had used the same garland which I got from Walmart. I made already wreath out of this garland and going to do next. Then you need whatever poinsettia flower or Christmas the flowers or embellishment you need to decorate your wreath. And then I am using this cardboard circle which I prepared. I use a pizza pan or other cardboard and just cut from the centers or around the sides, because I went to a couple stores and I couldn't find any wreath frame. So I thought, why not making my own? And especially that could be inspiration for those people in poor countries who couldn't buy the the reframes, so they can easily make their own. So all we just gonna take the side of our garland, and I just gonna take my stapler and pinning up. All right, so now it's a secure. I don't want to use any glue with this project, because if you want to redone this project, after some years, you still be able to use this garland. I don't want you waste anything. So we just pin up. Now it's a secured. So now we're just gonna go back forth, inside out, but make sure your garland is straight. You don't want it to look like bulky on each other. Just keep the same flatness on each wrap, and we're gonna keep repeating. And this cardboard is a double layer, perfectly work for this kind of wreaths or wrapping wreaths. But if you are using the other bubble wreath for making the flower wreaths, then you definitely need those wire wreaths to zip tie your burlaps, or if you are using any other stuff. So we are just wrapping. If you see my 4th of July garland wreath, I had to use exactly the same method, and so many people had loved that wreath. And if you notice how quickly we are wrapping, it's not even taking much time. Since weather is nice, especially when in the December, people are out and making noises, so sorry about that. And we are almost there. But make sure this wreath you cannot put under open sky, especially if you think you're gonna get rain on top of this wreath, because we are using a cardboard and you don't want your wreath get damaged with the rain. All right, and as you can see how quicker it is done. So now exactly the same way we had started, I'm gonna finish it by using our stapler. All right, and it's done. Okay, now I know this part is secure. I guess I can use one more stapler just to be safe. Yes. So now we can just going to cut our rest of thing. All right. So our base is prepared. Now the next part, I'm going to take a poinsettia flower with the leaves including. Okay. And I just gonna cut from bottom. So we need one of these. And one of these Christmas berries, cherry berries. Just gonna also cut from the bottom. So these two things I'm using. All right, so we are just going to first, I'm gonna take this leaf and we are going to insert this wire inside of our garland. It's easy because since we have a wrapped around, you know, so we are going to make sure. Now with the fingers, you can feel it where the wire go inside. Okay, so we are finding the space where we're gonna put back our leaf. So if I do zoom, here's the space where I'm gonna put back my leaf. If I show you, all right, so now we know our leaf is even secure. You see that? So these two things are done, leaves, flower and leaves, and now it's time to put our cherries. So I just gonna remove the bottom leaf because I want to put back on top of other leaf. So simply again we're gonna insert these two with our garland. Let me just little hem it. Okay, now it's gonna bend like in a circle. All right, so just keep pushing. All right, so you can see this goes perfect. Now again feel your wire, where your wire is going, because I want to just bring your wire around the bottom of your flower. Okay, so now we feel it. So now we're gonna insert our other leaf. All right, insert it. You can see it, and now we're gonna again put it back to the garland. All right, and you notice how nicely we have put all the embellishment without using any glue to our wreath, and it's so pretty, it's so perfect, so pretty. And you see I have made a matching, you know, wreaths. So I hope you have liked this project. So quick, so easy to do. Thank you so much for watching our today Christmas DIY project, and I'm sure you have enjoyed it. If you really do, please give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Feel free to share with your family and friends so I can hit more subscribers. You can see this project turn out to very nicely. You can use this wreath inside your house, on patios, windows or door, or you can make one of your friends as I am making. Love you all and wishing you safe and blessed Christmas. Bye bye.